In this video, we will present the Edit Nodes mode and analyze the node terminology. In general, anything that you create using the available design tools is a kind of artwork made with lines and curves. You can directly edit those curves and change the artwork of any object using the Edit Nodes mode. You can start the Edit Nodes mode either by pressing the relevant icon found on the Tools bar on the left part of the application windows, or by using the F10 key. When using this mode, the outlines of the selected object are highlighted and you can clearly see all existing nodes and segments. The round and square dots that appear on the outline of the object are called nodes, and they are the connecting points between the segments. If you have more objects, you can click on any of them to see its nodes. If you place the mouse cursor on top of any node or segment, you can click and drag to change the shape of the outline. So, if you did not manage to create the design you wanted at the first try, you can later adjust the shape as you like. While creating any shape, each point we click is a node of the shape. Any node can be selected simply by clicking onto that node or forming a rectangle around it. You can also select multiple nodes, but the ways to do so and the relevant options are described in a separate video. At this point, we need to mention that there are three kinds of nodes: auto smooth nodes, and cusp nodes. The auto smooth nodes are marked by a round dark blue icon. These nodes are automatically generated by the software and they have no control handles. The software uses intelligent mechanisms so that the connected curves are automatically adjusted when you move an auto smooth node. The smooth nodes are marked by a green round icon. Usually, smooth nodes are added to the design automatically when you click and drag to manually adjust the curvature while creating a shape. The lines that are running through a smooth node take on the shape of a curve, producing smooth transitions between the segments. The smooth nodes have control handles that are always directly opposite one another, and they can be used to adjust both connected curves. If you move any of the arrows, you adjust both segments. Finally, cusp nodes are marked by a red square icon. Cusp nodes let you create sharp transitions, such as corners or sharp angles. When the segments connected to a cusp node are lines, there are no control handles. But if you slightly change any of the lines, it will become curved and handle arrows will appear on this side. With cusp nodes, you can change one segment of the node without affecting the other. This is useful when you want to make precise adjustments on one part of the design without affecting another. You can easily change any node from any type to another. Right-click on any node and select any of the other types. By now, you got a basic understanding of what a node is and how to edit nodes. In the following demonstrations, we will show you more advanced options.